What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing back an old video of C6 versus C6. All filming was done in Mexico. A couple years back, we met our now good friend Jaden while we were in Mexico. He had an identical Corvette to Logan, same build, both Procharged. There was some slight differences, so they decided to race to kind of compare. At the end of the day, it really came down to shifting because they're both manuals, but yeah, check it out. 1, 2, 3! Hoping to start putting more content like this on the channel. Right now we can't do too much for Mexico racing because it's 115 degrees outside. I don't have good tires, but also you guys should tag builds in the comments that you want to see my Mustang race up against. Anyways, thanks for watching. As usual, don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications for new videos, like, comment, support our channel. Thanks.